Here at Last Exit, we take the responsibility of holding up your pants very seriously. Since we custom build our belts to order one at a time, just for you, we have a small favor to ask. So that your belt is right in the Goldilocks zone. Not too small, not too large, just right. We need you to follow these quick and easy steps ahead. You'll simply need a tape measure and a belt you already own. Lay out the tape measure on a flat surface. Take your belt and line up the tape measure at the leather fold behind the buckle. Measure to the hole you use the most. We'll make that the center hole in your new belt. On our website, choose your desired belt and select from the designated range of sizes closest to your measurement. You're also welcome to enter in your specific belt measurement in the notes section you will find at checkout. Once your order is placed, you can sit back and relax, knowing we're hard at work building your new favorite belt. Cheers!